Hyaluronic acid filler. Why is it the only filler I use, and why are there so many different kinds? Fillers in general are a popular cosmetic treatment used to reduce the signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of volume. Fillers can also be used to enhance features such as the cheekbones or lips and correct asymmetries. As we age, almost every layer in your face changes. The skin thins, natural fat pads atrophy and shrivel and descend due to gravity. Even the bone changes, with notable losses on each side of the nose known as the piriform apertures, causing deep nasolabial folds and smile lines. So there's several types of fillers available, including hyaluronic acid fillers, HA fillers, collagen fillers, and synthetic fillers like silicone. I almost exclusively use hyaluronic acid fillers such as Juvederm or Restylane for several reasons. One is safety. HA is a naturally found substance in the face, and its use as a filler has low risk of adverse reactions or complications. Two is longevity. HA fillers tend to last several months to a year depending on the type of filler and the area that's treated. And three is versatility. HA fillers can be used to address a variety of concerns, from fine lines and wrinkles to hollowing of the cheeks or even thinning of the lips. Four, reversibility. If a patient's unhappy for whatever reason with the results of the HA filler, the product can be dissolved in the enzyme called hyaluronidase, allowing for a more natural correction of the problem. And lastly, fifth is the natural look. Because HA is a component of the skin and its natural structure, the results of the treatment with HA fillers tend to look natural and subtle. One exception I do make for this is Sculptra, which is made of tiny bits of dissolvable suture material called poly-L-lactic acid, which is injected to stimulate your own collagen production over time. I'll make a detailed video about Sculptra another time if you're interested. The benefit of HA fillers is that they help restore volume to areas of your face that have lost volume due to aging, bone changes, and weight loss. This results in a more youthful, refreshed, and natural appearance. As with any elective procedure, especially on your face, it's important to consult with a specialist who aligns with your aesthetic and your desires. As always, if you have any questions, DM me or leave them in the comment section below. If you want to come in for a consultation and have a personalized set of recommendations that I can give you to empower your natural beauty, head to my website or give our office a call. Thanks and hope to see you soon.